Hello girls and guys, you must be wondering who am I? My name is Somik. Full name is Somik Nag. I'm also like you, one of the citizens of this beloved country. The country where there's a lot of diversification and loads of culture we have. So we always have faith and love our great country. Now the reason to make this video is something unique and special. I do travel by metro, sometimes by bus, as I live in Delhi. So I have encountered for the last couple of months that people don't speak in English. They go to different institutes to learn. They spend a lot of time, money, effort, lot of books they buy, but they just learn and they make themselves comfortable in that cycle. They don't want to come out from the horizon, or I mean to say they don't expand their horizon. When they come out from institute, they start speaking their own language, I mean to say mother language. Why am I saying this? Because I'm also a trainer of English and coach as well. I love this language, and it's not that I'm telling for the sake of telling. I'm telling to everyone so that my voice should go to each and every person of this country, and especially to the current generation, so that we will have a better generation in the future. Although, yes, only learning English is not make any difference, but yes, it will make a difference in terms of understanding culture and our own behavior towards everyone, be it in our country or in any one of other countries of the planet. Now, the people should, means the young generation, even the middle-aged people and the elderly people, they should learn English. How would that be possible? It is possible. Nothing is impossible, because the impossible word says I'm possible if you split the word. Now, suppose me, if I do not know English, my mother tongue is anything like if I give an example, like English. Sorry, I may beg your pardon. Hindi. I'm learning English. I spend a lot of money, lot of time, a lot of effort, and I have bought books. And I would like to speak that in my practical life. It means everywhere, not at home, outside at home, with my neighbors, relatives, friends. Even if I work somewhere or study somewhere, I have to use that maximum, so the fluency will increase, and the more the fluency, the better will be the language grip. So in terms of knowing the language, we have to speak a lot. It's not that we can speak for the sake of speaking, or only at the time of learning we can speak. That will not help at all. Any language, be it Hindi, English, Marathi, Bengali, Punjabi, anything, XYZ, or any foreign language, until you do not use it in your practical life, it will be difficult for anyone to grab it and move to advanced or proficient stage. Now, proficiency comes once you clear advanced stage. Now, suppose I go to, as I'm saying that, I repeat myself, that if a person goes to institute and learn English and complete his or her course, even doing the course, the person can come home, speak to English to anyone over phone, be it friend or neighbors or relatives or any stranger, or sometimes we receive calls from different companies or even job call centers, for call centers jobs I mean to say, or for from various institutes for courses, from various consultancies for jobs. We can speak with our natural fluency. Yes, for some people it may take some time, but for some people it takes less time. That is okay. We all do mistakes. Mistakes are part of life. The more you do mistakes, the greater will be the learning, because so that you will be able to understand where have you done mistake, where you can have the opportunity to improve, so that next time you will try to not to do or not to repeat the mistake. Even if you repeat the mistake, that is absolutely fine. No one is going to judge you, because you are the person to judge yourself. Do not think that if you start speaking English outside of your institute, where you may or may not be going, or you might have gone to learn English, the people will start laughing at you. That's fine. If they laugh at you, you should not bother about that, because the reason is the people who are laughing at you, they do not understand, or they may not understand, or they are not encouraging you to learn the language. You hardly find out of 10 one person to encourage you. It could be your mom, dad, your siblings, could be your friend, could be your friends, I mean to say, one friend or many friends, or your neighbors who know you for a long time, understands you better than anyone else. Now, once you start speaking, you also encourage your parents, your siblings. Obviously, there may be mistakes. That's absolutely fine. Even I do mistakes today. After a lot of years of experience, that's fine. I don't care, because I do believe if I do mistakes like other language, when you speak in Hindi, we do sometimes mistakes, right? The English also, when we start speaking in English, when we become fluent also, and even have gone to the professional level, we do some mistakes. That is totally acceptable. That is okay. Out of 100%, if you are 99% fine, even 95% correct, that is absolutely acceptable. 5% mistakes are adjustable. That can be tolerable, and that can be improved in the future as well. Because but as I said, improvement comes with time and practice. The more you practice, the greater will be the improvement. So now how you can do that? Beside the books, you have to read English newspaper, English magazines, English videos you can watch, or you can write on my comment, because as this is my first video, so I would love to take comments from you so that I can work upon that. What's your requirement? What's your wish? So that as per your requirement or your comment, I can work, and we will start giving the same as per your wish, or I mean say requirement. That was my primary motto. So I can deliver my best, so you'll be happy. If you are happy, we all be happy, including me. So don't forget to write a comment. This is my first video, so I made it short so that I can give a crisp of it, so that next time I can learn and I can get comments if you give comment, so that I can do something better than first video. So I hope you may like this video. If you may not, that is absolutely fine. But do not forget, do not forget to leave a comment or comments on the video. So thank you so much. Have a great and blessed day. Bye.